So guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Aleph Zero Learner N on CoinGecko. So head over to coingecko.com and log into your account, or you can also make use of their app to actually participate. You are going to need at least 60 candies to participate in the Aleph Zero Learner N. Unfortunately, you can get candies through daily check-in. So on your CoinGecko dashboard, or whether you are using the app, just tap on the candy icon and you are gonna see the Aleph Zero campaign. This one in particular, then tap on it. The next thing that you are going to do is to tap on redeem now, and 60 candies is going to be deducted from your candy balance. Once you've redeemed this, tap on reward. Once you tap on reward, tap on my rewards and you are going to locate it here, then tap on it. You are going to see your access code, which you are going to make use of it to participate in the Learner N. The first thing that you are going to do is to add the Aleph Zero wallet extension. So just tap on this signer. It's going to take you to another page to add the extension. This is the wallet that we are going to make use of to receive our Aleph Zero reward. I will recommend making use of Mrs. Browser to participate in this airdrop. Fortunately, I've already made a video tutorial about it. I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. Once the page loads up, tap on add to Chrome and the extension is going to be added to your Mrs. Browser. Once the wallet loads up, this is how it's gonna be like. You are also going to be given a seed phrase. Just create a new wallet. You are going to be given a seed phrase. Make sure you secure it somewhere safe. Input your name, your password, and there you have it. You now have an Aleph Zero wallet. The next thing that you are going to do is to follow them on Twitter. So just tap on the page. It's going to redirect you to Twitter, then follow their accounts. The next thing that you are going to do is to copy your access code. Once you copy, scroll all the way up, then tap on use now, then tap on use now again. It will redirect you to this page where you are going to take the quiz. So we have lesson 1, lesson 2 up to lesson 4. You don't have to actually watch the lessons. Tap on this mission, take the quiz, then input your access code. Kindly note that you can only make use of your access code once. So let's assume you actually paste your access code and you mistakenly refresh the browser. You can't actually make use of it again. So make sure you make use of a device that is capable of handling it so that the quiz page shouldn't refresh unexpectedly. So just tap on start. Once you tap on start, you'll be required to input your registered CoinGecko email. So for the next question, input AZERO and make sure you input the $sign AZERO. So for the next question, this is the answer. Just write close to 50. I'm just going to stop talking and I'm going to display all the answers, and I'm also going to leave all the answers in the description of this video. So just tap on false and carry on. This is where you are going to make use of the extension that we just added earlier. So on your Mrs. Browser, just tap on this icon, activate the Aleph Zero wallet, then copy your wallet address, then paste it here. Then lastly, input your Twitter username, the one that you made use of to follow them, then tap on review and submit. You will be given the chance to review your answers. Once you are satisfied and you have made sure that everything is correct, then you can tap on submit. You might also face this issue towards submission. Just in case if this happens to you, just connect to a VPN, refresh the page. You'll be able to input the access code again, then you retake the quiz and submit. So that's pretty much it. This is how it should look like once you are done, and that's pretty much it. I have a Telegram group where I post crypto airdrops, so if you're interested, I'm going to leave it in the description of this video. If you like this video, do make sure to like and subscribe to be updated whenever I post a new video like this. Subscribe.